Braintree extension tutorial. So to get started, you want to go ahead and populate your Likeable Forms license key, your merchant ID, your public key, and your private key. If you don't have that just yet, don't worry. We're going to provide you with plenty of documentation on how to generate those. Once you've added this, though, go ahead and hit verify license key. And if everything checks out, you'll see your extensions populated right in front of you. So we're going to cover a few options today on how to generate a price for your form dynamically. We also have the option, of course, to just go ahead and enter a flat form total. But to get started, we'll add some product fields. And this just allows you to add multiple products inside your form that users can select. You can add the price, you can add an image, and you can give each product a name. And once you add these, you'll see them appear inside your products field drop down. Now, you can always use product fields in any form that is not a payment form, but if you want to use the selections for the product fields inside your payment form that's going to apply towards the total, you do want to add those to the products field. Also, choosing a recurring subscription plan. These subscription plans are not generated and created inside of your extensions. Those need to be created inside of Braintree. But once you do that and you go ahead and set the amount up, give them a name, you'll see after you've added your Braintree IDs and API keys that all those subscriptions are going to be populated in the total. So for example, our commercial extension, let's say this costs $300. By selecting this option, your form total now is going to be $300. You can also do, let's go ahead and map some customer names. So anytime you create a subscription, you want to actually create a customer as well. It's something that we're going to handle. So we'll get started with the email, a text field for the name, and then the customer phone number. Since it's just text, let's go ahead and change that out to name so that we know which field we're mapping. And then we'll jump back into our settings here. We go name for name. Our email address field is going to be used for the customer email, and our phone field is going to be used for our customer phone. This is just standard field mapping. The checkout button text, this is going to take over your submit button text. So for example, instead of it saying submit, we can just go ahead and enter pay. It could be checkout. And then also we automatically add the payment total, the running total directly above the Braintree payment fields that appear in your form. But you can also add that total to your checkout button as well by selecting yes. Or if you just want to say checkout, just go ahead and say no. There you have it.